How to delete bookmarks on Google Chrome on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete bookmark on Google Chrome on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete bookmark on Google Chrome, you can simply go ahead and open up Google Chrome on your iPhone. Once you open it up, you shall get an interface like this. If you have any bookmarks saved and you want to remove it, simply tap on the three dots option at the bottom right corner right here, and you can see the bookmarks option right here beside history. Tap on it. Once you do so, you should be able to see bookmarks here. However, you'll be able to see two different options here, the mobile bookmarks, and if you have your account logged in on any other device, then it'll show up in different folders. If you want to remove every bookmarks, then you can simply head into a particular folder, then tap on edit and then select every bookmark that you want to delete, and then tap on delete option at the bottom of your screen. Similarly, you can do so by heading over back and heading into another folder, and then tap on edit again this time and select it and tap on delete and delete it. This is how you can delete bookmarks on Google Chrome on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.